guys are doing well. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So by the title you can see that what today's video is all about, and I'd really like to start off with bare face so that you can see that what I will do from the start. So now we're gonna do like a daily wear makeup which is super practical, and I won't be using the foundation for today's look, so get excited for that. So yes, if you want to know that how I will create the no makeup kind of look like which is perfect for the daily wear, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first step, I am just bare face. I haven't done any skincare. I just washed my face and toned it. So now I will move in with my skincare first. So the first thing that I'm taking is this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Soothing Essence. I have done like a complete review on this. You can check out my channel for that, or I will provide you the link in the description. And it has been so long that I haven't done like a talk through makeup tutorial, so I just thought like why not just do one, and you have to just pair it. I really like it. Like, it's very lightweight and it's perfect for the humid season. After that, I will go in with a serum. With serum, I'm using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost serum, and you can see that I'm almost over with this one. This is like one of my favorite morning serums. Like, it just wakens you up. Just pack the product into your skin. For under eye, I will be taking up the Body Shop Vitamin E Ice Cubes, and will be applying it underneath my eye. For moisturizer, I'm taking this Urban Botanics Neem and Basil Mattifying Moisturizer, as I've been breaking out lately a lot. So this is like perfect for the anti-acne prone skin type. So I am just using this one. And it's very lightweight. And though it smells little, to be honest. Lip balm, I'm taking this, the Natural Wash Lip Balm in the variant Beetroot. The lip balm is pretty amazing, as it really nourishes your lips pretty well, and I really like to lock in everything. So using this, the Body Shop Mandarian Energizing Face Mist. Okay, so the skincare is on, and I will definitely urge you to just give like 2-3 minutes gap between your makeup and your skincare. So now starting off with primer. So I have some new primers to try. So I recently, like, if you are with me on Instagram, you have seen that I purchased this Smashbox primer set. So the first one is this Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blurred Primer. I really like the sizes, and I really like it's, I think, holiday edition, but yes. So I'm gonna take like a little bit, and I'm gonna give you like, I'm gonna tell you that how I feel about the primers. I've heard so many good things about Smashbox primers. I have tried the samples from them, but I think samples don't do justice. But yeah, blurs out pretty everything, to be honest. I will take a little bit more and will apply it to my pores basically, and will push it into the skin. Then there were another primer as well, which is the primerizer, which is their primer plus moisturizer. Oh, it's very watery. Ooh, it feels so good. Okay, as I said, I won't be applying any foundation. I will be doing like a little bit of color correcting. So I will be taking up this LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange, and I will take down to here, like very little amount. Like, I think these are like my problematic areas, so I just like to do like little bit of color correcting. And I will be taking like a flat brush and will blend in everything. Like, I think this will make your skin super flawless if you do this. I think sometimes I don't need correctors, but I think today I need a corrector because my skin is not feeling like pretty good these days. So now what I will do, I will take a concealer which is my shade. Okay, so I'm taking this NYX HD Studio concealer in the shade beige. I'm gonna apply it like in a good quantity, maybe to the places where I need it the most, like my under eye, my this area, this. Like, you can apply I have applied it to all my problematic areas. Now I will take like my damn beauty blender and we'll start blending. Like this, your skin will look even. You can even go ahead and use BB creams, but I'm not really into BB creams right now. I really want to try like a good tinted moisturizer, and I will see if I will try any. Just don't blend it to that place only. Blend it all over. Take down to your neck as well. The remaining concealer will conceal your neck as well. After that, I will be taking one highlighting concealer. Okay, be very crucial with this step. Just take little of the highlighting concealer. You don't want to look white or cakey. So I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C7. Though I purchased my concealers in highlighting shade only because I applied with my foundation. So I'm gonna just dot this over here. Little bit on my nose. Apply it very low, मतलब बहुत कम क्वांटिटी में लगाओ. You can आप ज़्यादा भी लगा सकते हो अगर आपको लगे नहीं मज़ा आ रहा तो, बट ज़्यादा लगाओगे और ज़्यादा ही हाईलाइटिंग नहीं होना. इसको सिर्फ यहीं तक रखना है. Like you don't want to just drag it down or something like that. Now I will take this Pond's Magic BB powder and I will only set the areas where I get oil, so or I get creases, and that's my under eye. Very light amount, very light. Just work with less product. This is the actually makeup that I would carry when I go out. I sometimes apply foundation as well in a very low quantity, but I think concealer will also work. After that, I will bronze up a little because I like little warmth on my face. So taking this Too Faced Chocolate Soliel bronzer, you guys know how much I love this bronzer. So I'm gonna take any fluffy brush. After that, I will be taking up a little bit of blush, which is my favorite natural blush of all time, which is e.l.f. Peach Perfection. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna dip it into the blush and smile a little. I am a sort of person, if you will meet me like when I'm out, I don't apply much makeup. I'm like this only most of the times. Like if I am outing or something like that, I apply very less amount of makeup. So this is the makeup that I genuinely go for. For highlighter, my current obsession is this Seasoul highlighter. This is how it looks like, and if you haven't seen my first impressions on then you should definitely see it. It's one of the best highlighters that I've ever used. Can you see? Like just blend it like so. Your one pump will cover your whole face. You see, I love this. Now I will set everything in. I'm taking this Photo Finish Primer Water. You take my beauty blender and push everything in. Okay, for eyes, I like to go sometimes with liner or sometimes I like to take this shadow from the Tone on Tone Nudes from Maybelline, and it's in the shade... The shade is not mentioned. I will try to mention it in the description. So it's like a glittery shade, and what I do, I just take like this onto my lid. It looks super natural, and take my finger and start blending this in. Like you can still see the difference, right? Like I love it how natural this is. And what I do on my waterline, I just take this brown coal from Plum and I'm gonna put this in my waterline. Like you can definitely see that how huge the difference is. And what I do, I just take the shadow again, just pick it up with my finger, like my pinky finger, and put this into the inner corners. so that they shine. And we need a lot of mascara. Taking this thick and fast mascara from Soap and Glory. Just coat your lashes pretty nicely. I will be adding like one more coat, but first we'll do our brows and let this dry first. I'm taking up this automatic brow pencil from Mini, so I don't know what automatic this is. अपने आप तो fill नहीं होंगी, मुझे करनी पड़ेगी. Let's see how this goes. I will fill it very naturally. Do I like my brows to be natural only? Pretty good. And the color is also great. Brows are filled. For lipstick, I'm taking like very natural shade. I'm taking this Nikon Mattelicious Lip Crayon in Next Level Nude. I love how natural this is. Now I will be adding one more coat of the mascara. So yeah, that was that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you just felt like this is like a perfect look for your daily wear. And I really think that this look is perfect for the daily wear. You can carry it anywhere, either it's your office, your college, or any outing or a date with your boyfriend as well. So yes, actually the date वाला part उन्हीं boyfriends के लिए जिन्हें ज़्यादा makeup नहीं पसंद. बाकी कुछ boyfriends को makeup पसंद होता है, तो you can just go out of the box and just impress him. But पता नहीं मैं boyfriend वाली बात क्यों बोल रही हूँ, but that's okay. So yes, that was that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.